Hey, Peanut, hey, Avocado, hey, Great. I won tickets to a boat walk. Wanna come with me?
Hey, Squishy, sure we'll come with you. We always wanted to get on a ship.
Hi guys, I'm Uni.
Hi, Kit Kat. Hi, Uni. All aboard!
Now let's take a tour of the ship.
This is the engineer's room, and this is the kitchen, and this is the captain's room, and then this is the lab.
Cool, what's this? Hey, don't...
Yeah, I love this stuff.
Don't touch that.
Too late, now they're infected.
What does Kit Kat mean by infected? They were infected by the slobber, and now we have to find a cure.
Slobber infection, I don't know what to do. Don't touch that slobber, that's what we told you. Now we're all worried about you too. I hope that slobber doesn't turn you blue. Always listen to the captain of the ship, and maybe that way you wouldn't end up sick. Until you're back to normal, we can never quit. We gotta keep it normal, we gotta get a grip. Now we gotta find a way to bring you back. Try and get squishy and cream in a trap to cure the infection after the fact. And maybe then you'll know how to act. Slobber infection, I don't know what to do. Don't touch that slobber, that's what we told you. Why'd you go and touch the slobber we grew?
Need to trap them in the room.
They were trapped in the room. I think we need to find a cure. I think I know how to make an antidote. Take these chemicals together. Okay. Now we just had to throw the antidote in the room.
All aboard!
Sorry for messing around in the lab.
Yeah, guys, and thanks for turning us back to normal. Oh, your voice has changed.
Slobber infection could change people's voices. I forgot to tell you guys that.
Welcome home, everybody.
Well, that was a close one. Yeah, I never want to go on a ship again. Could say that again. Group hug.
Aww.